Inside the house, it's surprisingly warm and welcoming. Jinho and Anuradha are stuck together for the night. Anuradha remains oblivious to Jinho's fame, but the tension between them remains.
Well, since we're stuck here, I guess we should make the best of it. Try not to get in my way.
Trust me, I'm trying.
Jinho's assistant, Minji, calls him to check on his whereabouts. Jinho speaks quietly, not wanting Anuradha to hear and realize who he really is.
Jinho, where are you? Your fans are freaking out.
I'm fine, just taking a break from everything. Don't tell anyone where I am.
Anuradha overhears part of the conversation and, with her overactive imagination, assumes Jinho is involved in something shady.
Is he hiding from the law or something? What have I gotten myself into? So seriously, what do you do? You're not a criminal or something, right?
Criminal? Me? No way. I'm just a guy who likes to entertain people.
Entertain, huh? Like a clown or something?
Exactly. I juggle and ride unicycles in my spare time.
Well, if you're a clown, I might need to show you my karate moves to keep you in check.
Karate? Really? I had no idea I was in the presence of a martial arts expert.
Oh, you better believe it.
All right, Sensei. Just don't use those moves on me. I'm just a harmless entertainer here.
Don't worry, I'll only use my skills on real criminals. You're safe. For now.
Oh, thank you. I was getting worried there for a second.
Jinho was shivering from a fever. He went to the kitchen to drink some water but broke the glass. Anuradha woke up and saw him.
Oh no, he has a fever.
She took him to the room, made soup, and gave him medicine. When Jinho was sleeping, he held on to her in his sleep. She tried to let go, but he didn't.